The Laifen Wave Electric Toothbrush introduces an industry-first innovation, an upgraded synchronous servo system that powers the world's first toothbrush capable of simultaneous sweeping side-by-side and vibration, offering a combination of powerful performance and user-focused design. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. The Laifen Wave Electric Toothbrush introduces a groundbreaking 60-degree sweeping side-by-side range, which is 3 times wider than other leading brands. This innovation aligns seamlessly with the dentist-recommended bass brushing method.
The Laifen Wave Electric Toothbrush is fantastic for maintaining your oral health.
Yet gentle cleaning ability that makes the Laifen Wave my pick to brush the right way.
As a dentist of over 20 years with my own practice, I know there's a lot of mystery surrounding dental health and the best tool to use. Together, the Laifen Wave Electric Toothbrush and I are going to take the guesswork out of oral health care.
More than 1,000 dentists worldwide have tested the Laifen Wave, with 9 out of 10 willing to recommend it to their patients. Its exceptional brushing method aligns with dentist-recommended modified bass technique, ensuring an effortless and comprehensive cleaning experience. With an industry-leading vibration strength of up to 66,000 vibrations per minute, the Laifen Wave reaches new depths of cleanliness. This exceptional power removes plaque and debris with ease, making it a standout performer for oral hygiene. What makes the Laifen Wave stand out from others? The Laifen Wave Electric Toothbrush is not just another electric toothbrush, it's a leap forward in oral care technology. With its world-first dual-sweeping side-by-side and vibration system, customizable features, and eco-conscious design, it outperforms competitors in every category. Whether it's deep cleaning, gum protection, or user convenience, the Laifen Wave sets the standard. Unlike many electric toothbrushes that lose power when resistance increases, the Laifen Wave ensures unwavering performance throughout your brushing session. This steady torque output guarantees consistent and effective cleaning every time. Leveraging cutting-edge robotic arm and motor technology, the Laifen Wave's proprietary servo system delivers an unmatched fusion of ultra-wide 60-degree oscillation and vibration. This precision-engineered system defines a new standard in oral care technology. The Laifen Wave's handle is a marvel of design, crafted without gaps, where dirt and grime can accumulate. Thousands of possible combinations for every user. The Laifen Wave offers 3 distinct brushing modes: daily, high frequency, and gum care, each adjustable across 10 intensity levels. This results in 30 unique settings that can be tailored to your specific dental needs. Whether you're looking for a gentle clean for sensitive gums, a high-frequency mode for deep cleaning, or a balanced everyday option, the Laifen Wave delivers. The Laifen Wave offers an intuitive app that personalizes your brushing experience. Users can adjust settings for vibration strength, oscillation range, and oscillation speed across 10 levels, catering to diverse brushing needs and preferences. Its customizable timer settings. The default setting is the recommended 2 minutes, but users can adjust this time to suit their preferences. Whether you prefer shorter sessions or longer, more thorough brushing, the toothbrush includes a 30-second brushing zone reminder. This gentle prompt helps users switch to the next quadrant of their mouth, ensuring comprehensive cleaning and reducing the chances of neglecting certain areas, but also contributes to its IPX7 waterproof rating, making it ideal for use in wet environments. Constructed using stainless steel, aluminum alloy, and ABS, the handle exudes durability and elegance. The multi-stage deep drawing process ensures a seamless and flawless finish, providing a premium touch. Previously exclusive to high-end smartphones, Lifen incorporates nano-molding technology in its toothbrush handle, ensuring a compact and robust structure. This innovation enhances the toothbrush's longevity and resilience, setting it apart from competitors. This thoughtful approach reflects the brand's commitment to sustainability. The Gum Care brush head features ultra-soft, tapered bristles with a 0.02 millimeter diameter, ensuring a gentle and soothing brushing experience. The 90% tapering rate enhances the ability to clean between teeth without causing irritation or bleeding. Using advanced copper-free tufting technology, the brush heads are not only smaller, but also possess antibacterial properties, ensuring a hygienic brushing experience. The Laifen Wave offers 3 types of brush heads: ultra whitening, super clean, and gum care. Each is designed to cater to specific oral care needs, providing versatility for users. Laifen's brush heads are significantly more cost-effective compared to competitors. This thoughtful pricing ensures that maintaining oral hygiene, in a bid to reduce its ecological footprint, Lifen uses biodegradable materials for packaging, consisting of over 90% recyclable materials. Laifen's meticulous testing includes vibration and sweeping side-by-side comparison tests to validate its superior performance. The 360-degree motor shaft rotation and advanced servo system ensure reliability and efficiency. Dentist-approved professional endorsements highlight the Laifen Wave's adherence to dental best practices, making it a trusted choice for oral care. User reviews and ratings. The Laifen Wave has received widespread acclaim from users, with many praising its powerful cleaning performance, elegant design, and user-friendly app interface. Specifications at a glance. Materials: food-grade ABS, aluminum alloy, stainless steel. Vibration frequency: up to 66,000 vibrations per minute. Charging method: magnetic fast charging, 2.5 hours. Battery life: up to 30 days. Waterproof rating: IPX7. The Laifen Wave Electric Toothbrush is a revolutionary product that combines cutting-edge technology, elegant design, and user-centric features. Its powerful performance, durability, and customizable settings make it a must-have for anyone seeking an elevated oral care experience. Whether you're looking for effortless cleaning, gentle gum care, or long-lasting durability, the Laifen Wave exceeds expectations on every front. It's not just a toothbrush. It's a statement of innovation and excellence in oral health. Charging has never been faster or more convenient. The Laifen Wave charges fully in just 2.5 hours, compared to the 24-hour charging time of most competitors. With up to 30 days of battery life on medium settings, it is perfect for travel and everyday use. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.